There is no bada in Allah the Exalted. No, there isn't. The Shia accept the concept of bada. And one of the reasons why the Shia are considered disbelievers is precisely this belief, the belief in bada, al-bada. What does it mean? It means that Allah changes His mind. Allah forbid. The word bada linguistically means to become apparent, to be revealed. But I'm not speaking of it as a verb here. As a verb, it's different. In the Quran, bada means it appeared or it became evident. The root is the same, but I'm talking about the verbal noun. Al-bada'u, as a noun, not the verb. So what does this bada mean in belief? It means that Allah, exalted be He, supposedly has no eternal knowledge, as claimed by the Mu'tazila and similar misguided groups. They said there is no eternal decree. That same mentality is behind people like Aziz Bainder, who say, how would Allah know who you will marry? He told a child that, how would Allah know who you'll marry? That's bada thinking. It leads to disbelief. Because it implies that Allah changes His mind. What does that mean? That Allah reacts to events, looks at conditions, and decides accordingly. What difference would there be between Him and us then? This belief exists within Shia thought. The Shia deny Qadar, divine decree. We know the Qadariya as the sect of the Mu'tazila, but the Shia are like a branch of it. They deny the concept of predestination and divine writing. And of course, they slander the Imams of Ahl-al-Bayt, falsely attributing this view to them, though they never said such things. Imam Ja'far al-Sadiq, may Allah be pleased with him, clearly spoke about Qadar. Because Ja'far al-Sadiq is an Ahl al-Sunnah Imam. The 12 Imams are Imams of Ahl al-Sunnah. They are the Imams of the Ahl al-Bayt and Ahl al-Sunnah alike. The Shia have slandered them. Therefore, we must understand this. Qada and Qadar, divine decree, were determined in eternity. Allah, exalted be He, never changes His mind. Allah knows everything from the very beginning. He knows what will happen, how it will unfold, and He knew it before creating anything. So for Allah, nothing ever changes. Nothing changes, although for us it seems that prayer can change destiny. But Allah already knew whether you would pray or not. And He wrote your destiny according to that prayer. There are two types of decree. Qada'i mubram, firm decree, and Qada'i mu'allaq, conditional decree. Some matters are left hanging, so to speak. But in Allah's eternal knowledge, nothing is truly hanging. That perception belongs to the angels. According to what is written in the preserved tablet, Law al-Mahfuz, it appears conditional. And according to what is revealed to some saints, awliya, it also appears conditional. But for Allah, nothing is uncertain, because He knew everything from eternity. Yet He encourages us to pray, to give charity, and to do good, all to draw out goodness from us, to benefit us, not Him. Even if the calamity is not lifted, the prayer itself earns you reward. You still win. So can prayer avert calamity? Yes, it can. It can, because Allah already decreed whether you would pray or not. So the cause is still your prayer. These are in fact principles of al-Sunnah belief. Every issue ultimately goes back to Aqidah, creed. A person must first and foremost strengthen their faith.